Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing this wolf look and I'm just taking this Athena palette by ucanbe and I'm just taking some of these artist brushes. Now this is a strictly like face paint palette. I'm using this straight from the pans, but I don't know if you could water it down. You probably could. I just used it straight from it, so I don't know. This was like my second time using these. I absolutely love this face palette, and do you know something? It's going to be my favourite for like the full of Halloween. I'm going to be using this all the time because it's absolutely fantastic. It's super pigmented, as you guys can see here, and it's great for the likes of creative looks and Halloween looks and stuff. So yeah, definitely recommend this face palette, and it was super affordable as well. So I'll leave the link in the description for you guys. But I just wanted to show you guys me creating this wolf look. This was one of the looks I actually planned for a couple of years ago and I didn't get round to doing it. So this is me creating it now. I'm just taking the white face paint from the Athena palette and we are just going over that with some white eyeshadow as well. Just taking the black from the same palette and I'm drawing on the wolf nose. I have also drew the wolf teeth as well. And I'm basically just using the white, the greys and like the blacks, and I'm going over the top with eyeshadows obviously just to kind of set it. Now I just do that because I don't like any kind of creases or anything, but I'm just using some of these little Louise detail brushes and I'm just doing like tiny strokes like wolf hairs. That's the kind of vibe that I'm going for here. We're doing thick and thin. I then go back over with some black eyeliner and yeah, I'm just basically trying to create a kind of wolf look. And you will see me dipping into these Louise palettes as well, just for the eyeshadows. Now this is a Louise Halloween palette. This one came out a couple of years ago, but to be fair, I only bring it out at Halloween because it is a Halloween palette. So yeah, I'm using the greys and the blacks and like the white shades from this palette, just to give this look a little bit of depth, a wee bit of shadowing, just kind of try and bring the look together. I'm not going to sit and chat all the way through this video because it's quite self-explanatory what I'm doing. I think I've kind of spoke about all the kind of products that I'm using. I'm just using my Louise or my Peaches and Cream brushes here. And yeah, thanks so much for watching guys. Hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Let me know what you guys want to see in the next look.